Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. John here. I just got this awesome humidifier on Amazon. I wanted to show you guys this. Now the first thing when you open it, you're going to notice is the instructions. You're going to want to hold on to those. And some good packaging in here too. Here it is, guys. Here is the unit itself. Oh, there's actually a couple pieces to this. Okay, well that's neat. So there is a base that this comes with, of course, with your plug-in on it. There is this right here. It's actually where the water goes. And there is a gauge here to show you how full the water is. So that's very cool. And the last thing you have is you have this top here. And this topper has a vent nozzle here. Now you can rotate this nozzle to direct the stream of humidity away from you or just wherever you want it to go. Very, very neat. So we'll get it put together and see how it works. All right, guys, so you want to simply remove the lid. And go ahead and add water in through here. Now you can put it under the bathtub to fill it up or inside of a sink, or you can fill it with cups. And then once you've got it filled up to where you like, you can put the lid back on. Now you can notice this indicator here will tell you where your water level's at. So once you've done that, you want to make sure you've got it plugged in. We've got it plugged in and we're good to go.